Welcome back, Slackers. Today we're going to be learning how to do a jumping 180 on our slackline. And so I'm going to be going through some tips and tricks in this video that I like to use personally when learning new stuff on my slackline. And by the end of the video, hopefully we'll have enough info for you guys to go out and learn how to do a 180 on your slackline like this. Foxy, roll the clip. So before we start doing 180s, I think it's important that we have two tricks down first. The first one is just your regular standing jump, like this. And the second one is just being able to turn around while on the line, like this. Alright, so to start off, we're actually not even going to try to land on the line at all. We're just going to jump up, spin around 180 degrees, and try to land with one foot on either side of the slack line, just to sort of get the spinning motion and jumping motion down. So we'll do a couple of these first just to get started. Alrighty, now that we're comfortable doing those, we're going to try the hard part now, which is to bring our feet together at the end and actually land on the line. And here we go.
So let's look a little bit closer and break this down. Oh wait, not this clip. Shit. Whatever. Here we go. Pay attention to how my feet land. The front one lands parallel to the line, which keeps me from over-rotating and also keeps my shoulders and hips square and facing the tree. Then my back foot lands almost completely perpendicular to the line, which just provides a bigger surface area to land on so that my back foot doesn't slip off. And this is pretty much how my feet look when landing any kind of jumping trick on this line. And I hope this helped you out. See you next time.